artist based in Tagbilaran City, Bohol, I've had the honor of being a finalist in the 2019 and 2020 International Artist Grand Prize Championship based in Taiwan. Additionally, I'm also blessed by God with the opportunity to showcase my works through 8 solo exhibits in galleries and museums, as well as many participations in group shows in the Philippines and abroad. My focus remains on themes about home and freedom, expressing my works with vibrant colors and captivating shapes that resonate with my viewers on a profound level. With this abstract piece titled Euphoric Essence, I aim to evoke a connection with the viewer's memories, much like assembling mementos to create the canvas of life. It's about finding meaning in our experiences, even the challenging ones, and transforming them into stepping stones rather than obstacles. Take Joseph from the Old Testament, for example, who rose from slavery and imprisonment to become a leader. It's a testament to the power of resilience. My previous works revolve around significant sites in my immediate environment, blending elements of folk art with a naive style. However, my style defies categorization as I incorporate elements like hovering strings that add depth and intrigue to my compositions. Looking ahead, I'm eager to secure more opportunities for solo exhibits, art residencies, and grants to further expand my artistic horizons. Despite any limitations in resources, I remain committed to maintain a high level of productivity and creativity in my output.